everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And today I'll be showing you how to crochet that top, and the following are the requirements to make a similar top. I'll be using this is a robin yarn, and it's a 50-gram weight yarn. Also, you require a measuring tape and a hook. I'll be using a 3.5mm hook. First thing, to make this top, you have to take the measurement of the height that you want for this top. For example, for me, I'll be chaining 18 inches. That's the height that I want for this top. So chain 18 inches. So let me show you how to make the top, but the height of my top will be at 18 inches. We start by making a slip knot as usual. Then after making a slip knot, you insert the hook onto that big loop over there. Then after that, tighten the yarn and start chaining until you achieve the length of 18 inches. Then after that, I'll be there to show you what to do next. After chaining the 18 inches, this is what I have. Then after that, we'll be using single crochet. We'll repeat a row of single crochet in each and every stitch. So what you are going to do, skip this first stitch over here. Then onto the next stitch, place a single crochet. And for a single crochet, you just insert the hook, put through the yarn to have 2 loops on your hook. Then after that, yarn over the 2 loops at the same time. So insert the hook onto the next stitch, put through the yarn to have 2 loops on your hook. Then after that, yarn over all the 2 loops at the same time. So repeat this until you complete this row. Then after that, I'll be here to show you what to do next. I've completed making my first row of single crochet. So after that, this is what you are going to do. You are going to chain 1. Then after that, turn your work around, and you'll be placing the single crochet onto the back loop of the previous stitch. And this is what I mean by back loop of the previous stitch. So place a single crochet onto the back loop of the next stitch to make a ribbed pattern. So to make this top, we'll be using a ribbed pattern. So just place a single crochet onto the back loop of the previous stitch. So continue placing the single crochet onto the back loop of the previous stitch until you complete this row. Then after that, I'll be there to show you how to make the next row. Right now we are making the 3rd row. To start the 3rd row, you have to chain 1, then turn your work around. Onto this first stitch over here, place a single crochet onto its back loop. So repeat this until you achieve the we'll be placing single crochet onto the back loop of the previous stitch. So repeat this until you achieve a piece that can cover all your bust, and make sure that you're stretching it around your bust to make sure that it's covering. And let me show you mine how it looks. So this is the piece that I have made, and this is what I'm explaining to you. You are going to repeat rows of single crochet until this point up to this point can cover your entire chest, or can cover, when you stretch it out, it can cover all your entire bust area. So remember to stretch it out like this to make sure that it's covering all your breast area, and that's how you'll know that you have achieved a piece that is going to fit you well. And that is how we are making this top. It's very easy. So the only important thing that you have to know is you'll be making a ribbed pattern until you make sure this point up to this point, when you stretch it out, it's covering all your bust area. So after that, you are going to make a strap. You are going to attach the yarn onto this point and onto the other point. So first of all, you are going to attach the yarn onto this point. Then I'll be showing you how to make the strap. It's a bit easy. So you are going to attach the yarn onto this point over here. So after attaching the yarn, we are going to chain a strap. Make sure that your strap is a bit long. So repeat this until you achieve the size that you want for the strap. Then also do it onto the other side. Then after completely making the strap onto